Hi friends, today I'll discuss about the 5 best affiliated platform for you paying for our beginners. In the last video I'll discuss about NFTs for all of you guys, and you will very appreciate this video, and I hope so you'll like this content also. Now we'll start about the affiliated programs and 5 highest paying affiliated market platform here. So first of all, we have to see this theory, like as a blogger in over 2200 affiliated programs, but I'll tell you about only 5 top ranked highest paying affiliated programs. So first of all, we have to go there and I'll search about 5 highest here, 5 highest paying affiliated platform to use in 2022. So here we have to go here, 29 high paying affiliated programs of 2022, top paying offers with high commission. So guys, I'll only tell you about the 5 highest paying platform of affiliated marketing. So look at here, whether you are new to affiliated marketing or looking to level up your current strategy, it definitely helps to seek out high paying affiliated program. After all, you're doing this for a reason to make a living. There's a lot of sense targeting top paying affiliated programs. As a blogger or an expert is you in your field, it take roughly the same amount of your time and the effort of promote a product that pays $100 commission as it does to promote one that paying is $10. So why not follow the money? So if we discuss about that all, but with thousands of niches and 10,000 of affiliated marketing programs to choose from, finding those offers the best return in, I like searching for a needle in the hashtags. Sorry, but unfortunately or fortunately, we'll run the numbers and pick out these 29 incredible highest paying affiliated programs. Here you go. Highest paying affiliated programs. We pride ourselves on finding the best affiliated offers. Every affiliated program on the list features sky high commission and complete free to join. Guys, you have to look here, check out the list of the highest paying affiliated program, then read on the find out why each one made the cut. So first of all, SEMrush. So what is SEMrush? I'll discuss about in the last of that list. SiteGround, Liquid Web, Bluehost, Hostinger, HostGator, Cloudspace, and the top ranking is the 5 there. Hostinger, Bluehost, Liquid Web, SiteGround, and the SEMrush. So guys, we have to discuss about, if you know anything about digital marketing, you will know about SEMrush. So it suits you more than 40 digital marketing tools, converting everything from keywords, research and competitor analysis to social media management and content distribution. It's used by over 7 million marketers worldwide. Impressively, 1 in every 4 Fortune 500 companions in SEMrush products with the sort of pull. It's no wonder the brand affiliated commission are so attractive. Affiliates earn. Guys, if you look here, $200 for every new subscription and $10 for every new lead and 0.1 for each new signups. You know, commission are paid out of 27 days after the end of the month. Yo, no, URL SEMrush affiliated marketing commission rate up to $200. Cookies reduction 120 days. So web hosting, what is web hosting? Like, no, SiteGround, we have to, this is the first several web hosting companions to be make our list highest paying affiliated programs. With the web hosting industry predicts to worth almost $100 billion by 2025, it's no wonder so many them made the cut. So more than 2 million domains owner really on SiteGround, and them seems to like it because the brand towards a client happiness rate of 99.7%. You know what? SiteGround offer a slide scale of commission based on the number of signups. You drive refers 11 to 20 new customer a month to earn 75 euro per sale. What? 75 euro per sale? Yeah. Anyone who sign up the SiteGround affiliated marketing promotion also get a month of free hosting, so they can try to service for themselves. URL here, commission rate up to 75 euro, and cookies duration 60 days. Liquid web. What is liquid web? As you know, at the same sites of as with many of the affiliate marketing companies on the list, liquid web is web hosting platform. What is web? Creating predominantly in SMB user. It manage more than 500,000 site and has over 4,500 customer worldwide. What? It in-house affiliated program is powered by Impact Radius affiliated network and pay commission worth 150% of most monthly hosting cost with a minimum payout of $150. You know what? In other words, if you refer $29 managed WordPress customer with one site, you will earn $150, or if the customer choose $400 per month package, you will pocket $600. $600? Yeah, as if that was enough, there 50% bonus of per prepaid plan. So liquid web affiliated also get advanced notice to exclusive sales and promotions, and the deduction affiliated mandate for personalized sports. You know, okay. And last one, Bluehost. What is the Bluehost? WordPress made easy hosting done right. Get started. Bluehost does WordPress hosting with price starting at just 3.23 euro a month. It's 750 strong teams it on hand 24/7 to power more than 2 million websites across the world. What? Despite its extremely affordable pricing structure, Bluehost affiliated program doesn't skips on commission, paying $65 for every qualified hosting purchase you refer. What? That's clear a pretty attractive perspective for the average affiliate marketing, because it's paid out more than $5 million in commission in the last year alone. You can sign up through a simple form of Bluehost site or via CJ affiliated. URL Bluehost affiliate marketing here. If you click here and you will directly go on. Commission rate $565 and cookies duration 60 days, same as like Hostinger is also like a same site for affiliate marketing. Take a wild guess what you Hostinger does. If you want to go there, you will also click in the URL of the Hostinger affiliate program and you will go directly and sign up yourself there. I hope so you will get it all from them. Thank you so much guys. I'll come with the next video inshallah soon.